Hello and welcome from the Alton Towers Resort, where we're going to be staying here at the Alton Towers Hotel. So last night we stayed at the Woodland Lodges, and today we're going to be staying here at the Alton Towers Hotel, which I actually think is the far superior, better hotel. So yeah, come with us, let's go check it out. So we've entered the room now. We're just going to do a little bit of a room tour. So as soon as you come in, you've got a ironing board, nice little bit of storage with some hangers there as well. And you've got the tea and coffee making facilities there with some biscuits too, and it's a little I wasn't sure what that was then. I like the little handles on them, they're really cute. There's a little fridge in there as well, which is good, and in there a little bit of storage there, so you can put some stuff here for a few days, keep it nice and cool. I really like the steampunk light that you've got to go in there, and it's really cool. Kids have just chucked their coats down here, but they'll so a little storage area and vanity desk and some more. Oh no, they're not drawers there, but and a mirror as well. So a little place we just put our bag there for the time being, just while we've just dumped it really while we've come in. And here there's a little wall, like all these little tactile things in here, really cool to play with, and little switches. Which are nice little tactile wall there. So kids are out of the way, so they're in here in their little bunk beds with little steampunk themed walls around there, which looks really, really cool. Got their own light switches, their own television. It's only one television, it's not one on each floor. And then they've got that's their beds there, which look all nice as well. And again, it's 6+ for going on the top bunk there. So as you come down here, we've got a nice little seating area. We've got a couple of tables with a television there as well.
And if you turn the camera around.
Oh, and here is the piece de resistance, the huge giant bear. How cute is that? There's a picture actually of Casper when he was about 6 months old, and we came here, and it's the first place we ever brought him anywhere. And of course, it was going to be Alton Towers. And there's a picture of him about 6 months old on this bed. Well, not this exact bed, but a very, very similar bed with this bear in the background. And it's great memories. So yeah, it's fantastic coming back here like 9 years later and doing a similar thing. We'll have to get a picture of him with the bear as well, lying on his front. So we've just checked in now. Nighttime is the opening day of the season, so it's all dark out there. So I'll show you in the morning what the view's like, but it's basically overlooking the lake. And then we've got a nice little back panel here. Again, all steampunk vibes. It looks really, really cool with themed lighting on either side. In terms of the switches, what have we got? So there's that there. Oh, I'm not sure how we're doing for switches actually, and plugs and stuff on this side. But there is a big plug on this side. So that's the important thing, is there's a big plug on that side. So we can, in terms of charging phones and all that sort of stuff, we're all right. So that's good. There's another light switch here which turns on the kids' bedroom light, which is the main one, because they've got that one up there, and then they've also got the night lights which are just there too. As we come to the bathroom, you can see this. I love all the purple and the steampunky vibes with all the little pipes going around. It looks really, really good. And here there's some more steampunky theming on the back panel there of the toilet. And there's also one for the shower too. It looks great, doesn't it? I really, really like it. And even the shower, I know it's kind of, I say basic, it's a really nice shower, but it fits in with the theming of the hotel room. It looks really, really good. And you've got your shower stuff there as well, for whatever you need while you're here. And I like the back panel. But what I do want to show you is the door as well. How cool is that? Then you sat down on the toilet. Looks like you've got someone else sat down on the toilet staring at you as well. It's really, really cool. I like it. So I thought I'd take you down the little trip to get to the restaurant. One of the great things is the Wazzy carpets that they have here.
Yeah, I really like them.
They're cool, aren't they?
Carpets.
All the themed carpets, they look great.
Gangster Granny.
There's the Gangster Granny rooms which are there. Of course, there's a number of different themed rooms. There is a Smiler room too.
Gangster Granny there.
And these look fantastic. What I think you like is the themed lifts that they have here. There's always a different audio.
What music do you think it is?
Which one's it going to be? Let's have a listen.
Don't look
Oh, we've got Oblivion. So you get to have the rave in here. The great centrepiece of this hotel is the pirate ship, which doubles up as the stage for the evening entertainment, which is looks really, really good. And the restaurant, you can see it's just behind the other side, which is there. Yes, they have all evening entertainment that's on here. We didn't have any last night because it was late night in the park, so we were straight to the room. But yeah, this is where you'll find all the entertainment. And the restaurant is just into this room here. Okay, so for breakfast, I've got the usual fry up there. Looks perfectly decent. Not tried any of it yet. Got some toast as well. Also got some pastries. I actually picked up the pancake for Eden, and then she said she didn't like it, so I've picked up one of them as well. It'll all get eaten. That's the important thing. Casper's gone for the fry up as well, and Eden's gone for the little bit there, haven't you? And you're going to get some fruit later on, aren't you? So yeah, is it nice, Casper?
Yeah.
Right, well, let's looking forward to trying it. So we've had a lovely breakfast here, so we've had a bit of a wander around the reception now. I love the centrepiece of this hotel, the big ship that's the stage. It looks great. You see here. And so the bar is just through there. That's where you'll get all your drinks in the evening. There is also a nice little photo opportunity here as well. There's a big chair here where you can go and have a picture taken on there. So Eden wants to have her picture taken. See if she can climb on. I might have to help her. So I've got Eden onto the chair now. She's taking a few pictures while she's on the giant chair. It's a great photo opportunity, it really is. Now I'll have to help her off. Yeah, it's a small little games room which is just in there as well. So you can have a few little goes on an arcade while you're here. So you come up here towards reception. There is a little Costa coffee which is just there. So you can grab a coffee before heading into the parks or when you come out. And in here, this is the main reception here, where you come in, you check in. It's largely self-service on here. It's a nice little centrepiece there as you come in, with the Alton Towers logo on the floor down there, projected. And there's all these little desks which are here to get yourself checked into. So you just come over to these desks. Very, very simple. Just give you details and it'll print the card out for you. So next to the reception here is a little shop. It's called the Emporium. Has all sorts of little knickknacks for while you're here. So we'll have a look at what they've got. So there's all sorts of little knickknacks in here. Little snow globes. Oh, that's not bad. £16 for the snow globe. It's very cute. Alton Towers Monopoly there. Giant cups. Oh, the Algernon bear. It's very cute, isn't he? He seems to be on sale forever. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? Oh, so they've got a few plushes in here and trophies and stuff like that. Alton Bear there. Alton Bear is super cute. We do love Alton Bear. He is very, very cute. Oh, there's the Phalanx Bears, which are cute. Oh, it's cute, isn't it? So all these players appear to be 18 to £20. These are £36 for the Nemesis plushes. Oh yeah, there's Nemesis iframe there to put your ride photos in. Lots of drinkware. And snow globe up there as well, £20. And some Smile stuff.
I'm going to have a look at Smile.
I'm not sure what this is here actually. Oh, it's a bit like a Rubik's Cube, but it's a pyramid. Wicker Man cups. I'm not sure about that one. This one looks like it's printed on there, but it is embossed actually, so it should be quite good. Oh, I like the Wicker Man bears. I like the faces. They look really cute. Some little Tansy dolls and the scarecrows there. £20. 13 water bottles, £8. Little ride glasses, and there's a small selection of resins here too. So, oh, you like them, Eden? Oh, Wicker Man. Of course, Eden's rode Wicker Man for the first time yesterday. Oh, these 13 ones are cute. There's the mine train. We do have the mine train at home, and we've got the Rita one as well.
Look at this one. Oblivion.
Oh, Oblivion one. Galactica as well.
I pink this.
And that is the end of our stay here at the Alton Towers Hotel. I have to say, I think this is probably the best of the Alton Towers hotels. They're still looking a little bit tired in the sense that they've got, they're not overly the cleanest in comparison with other hotels around Europe and around the world that are attached to theme parks. However, what it offers is really, really good, and I do really like this hotel. And this room, just staying in the Moon Voyage is lovely. I just love all the steampunk vibes in it. It's been really, really good. It's been nice to be able to have a nice stay at 2 different ones and use it as a base before going into the park, which is absolutely ideal for what it's for. So that's it from us now. We're going to go and spend a day in there now for the second day of the season, 2026 season. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, let the positivity in and ride it out. Bye guys.
Another day out, there's another treat to find. Family on the move with adventure on our mind. Thrills and food, we're all about that fun. Big laughs, good vibes, share with everyone. Stick with us, there's more good times about. Let the positivity in and ride it out.